Okay, so hi everyone. Our project title is Rural Internet. So let me discuss our problem statement. So rural areas, especially in Pakistan, offer experience poor or no internet connectivity, and there is no direct way for residents to report their internet issue. A lack of user submit data make it hard to understand ground realities. So a simple system is needed to collect this information from users themselves. So what our solution? Our solution is a user-friendly online form for a resident to report internet status. So these fields include location, connection type, and signal quality. And data is submitted to Google Sheet in real time, and a live map visualize user report internet condition. So now we will watch the live demo of our app. So here is our app, and we will write here the village name which is facing a poor internet issue. So uh, here we write the village name Pipna, and we select internet status which is weak, and we will write the comment that no signal is coming. Okay, so now we will submit. It will take little bit time. Okay, so finally our report is submitted. So now we will check that. Here we will see that this data is saved, that no signal is coming. This data is saved. Okay, so here are also options in button in our app. This good is for button is for to see the cities which are having good internet, and these red circle shows the cities which are no internet, and these yellow circle shows the internet which are facing weak. Okay, so this was our app. Thank you.